Korean time, part 2. 1 hour, Hanshigan. 2 hours, Doshigan. 3 hours, Seshigan. 4 hours, Neshigan. 5 hours, Dasuchigan. 6 hours, Yosochigan. 7 hours, Ilgopshigan. 8 hours, Yodolshigan. 9 hours, Ahopshigan. 10 hours, Yolshigan. 11 hours, Yoranshigan, and 12 hours Yoldoshigan. Gaya ng binanggit ko sa aking huling video, ang mga numbers hana, dul, set, net, sumul at lahat ng nag-i-end sa 1, 2, 3, 4 like 11, 12, 13, 14, 21, 22, 23, 24, 31, and so on. Kapag ginagamitan ng any counting unit gaya ng shigan, which is duration of time or number of hours, ang mga last letter nito ay nauumit, meaning binubura ang huling letra. So, from Hanashigan, magiging Hanshigan. From Dulshigan, magiging Dushigan. From Setshigan, magiging Seshigan. From Netshigan, magiging Neshigan. From Yoranashigan, magiging Yoranshigan. And from Yuldolshigan, magiging Yuldoshigan. 그럼 친구들, 다음에 만나요.